just got an envelope in the mail, and this is from Pepper Donkey. These are some seeds that I won on YouTube at the RevToast TV live meetup, and I'm gonna see what they are. I have no idea how many or what varieties they are, so let's see what they are. Sweet peppers from a friend in the UK. And I got a sticker. Isn't that a cool logo? Let's see what we have. Corny de Toro Giallo. I think I actually have this one, but I haven't grown it. Sakura. I haven't heard of that one. That's a new one. Ramiro. I haven't heard of that one either. So that should be a fun one. And Tohi Romanian. Another one I've never heard of. Tallus Sweet Italian. Another new one. And Frigatello. I don't think I have that one either. So I got a lot of new sweet peppers to try, which is cool because I've been looking for some more sweet peppers to add to my collection. So only one I've already got, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new ones. So these will be fun. I'll see if I can try and grow 1 or 2 of these this year. My garden plan is pretty full, but maybe I can make some room. Cool. Look forward to growing these. Thanks, Pepper Donkey.